Hi everyone, welcome back to my channels. I hope you are doing well. So today in this video we will see how we will get $20 credit. In the last video we discussed how we got $100 credit when we created the new accounts. So now we have to complete 5 more activities to get another $100 credits. So in this video I'll show you how we can create the EC2 instance and get $20 credits. Okay, so already I have $100 credits which we got while creating the account. Now let's create the EC2 instance and get the $100 credits. So here I'll not explain much in each step what we have to do in while creating the EC2 instance. For that I'll create the separate video. Here we have to put the name. So for EC2 instance, so I'll provide the name and then we'll configure next couple of things. So uh, so here the EMI which I will select is the Amazon Linux 2723, and everything I'll keep same. The instance type is a here T2 micro. I'll increase little bit. We'll use T2 small. Okay, so it will give some faster speed as compared to T2 micro. So I'll use T2 small here, and I'll proceed without keep here as we are going to get 20 credits, so we don't have to configure much here. We have to just create the simple EC2 instance and terminate it. Okay, so all the option I'll keep as it is, and we'll create the EC2 instance. In the additional details, I don't think we have to configure much, so we will keep all the things default, and then we'll move to launch the instance. So keep all these things as default and then launch the instance. Okay, so we'll wait if once instance is ready, we'll try to open it. So here our instance is created. Let's open it. So uh, instance is created. We'll try to connect it and see if it's working. So quickly let's connect the instance. So EC2 serial console is disable here. So SSM also I have not set up, so we can't connect through session manager also. And for SSH we need a putty to connect. So for that maybe I'll create another video for you guys. So now let's connect with this one only. So here we are connecting to the EC2 instance, and then we'll see by running some commands if it's working fine. So first command, let's try who am I. So it will give the username. So it's username provided, then check the host name. So it's working fine. Let's close this and then terminate this. As per AWS, for getting the $20 credits for this one, we need to terminate the EC2 instance. Okay, so terminate it, and then once terminated, we'll see if we are getting the $20 as a credit. So we'll wait until it's get terminated. So in the last video, some user commented that my account is not created and it's we I can't create EC2 instance and all. So see, like we can create once the account is created, we can create the EC2 instance without any problem. It's not a suspended account or something. Okay. So anyway, we'll wait for this instance currently in the shutting down state. once shutdown and terminated, we'll see the credits. Meanwhile, I'll refresh and see if it's added here or not. Okay, so still it's not terminated. So guys, if you feel my video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and share the video uh, if someone needs this video. Okay, so anyway, more AWS related and any programming cloud related video will be coming in futures. Currently, I am working on the AWS course for beginners, so that will be available soon, and then we'll create more. So now the instance is terminated. Let's refresh this page and see if the credit is created or not. So still the $20 is not added here. Uh, Refresh again, it's not added. So I think it might be taking some time, or some another configuration is needed. Uh, let's check on Google if any another configuration required, or any things which we have to follow to get the $20 credits. Okay, so then we can know if it's working or not. Okay, so we have the which link we have to see here. um, I think this is the only news. um, let's try the earlier one only, that will be helpful. Okay, yeah, here we will get. So these are the 5 services which we have to you know check, and then we'll we have to create, and then we'll get $20 for each. So here they have provided the link, the what activities we have to do. Let's click and see if we can get the $20. If so, hmm, so we have to go this console. Meanwhile, let's refresh and see if I get the credits. Oh, yeah. Here I got the credits for EC2 instance creation. You see $20 I got. So I think we need to, after creating and terminating, we have to wait for some times, and then it will get credited. Okay. So let me explain you what 5 activities we have to do for another $20, $80. Okay. So here that console is not there. Yeah, here if you see the Explore AWS, of out of 5, one I have completed and got $20. 4 we have to complete more. Okay. Thank you guys for watching the video. Next we'll see another services, and we'll get another credits. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned.